So you ask, what are some tips to creating clean, crisp applique shapes? Let's find out. Hello and welcome to our next series of the Quilting Quickie. Today we're going to be talking about applique. I'm going to give you several tips on how to create clean, crisp applique shapes on your when you're designing your applique. Just create with fabric and floss. Creating clean, crisp applique shapes is an important aspect of achieving a professional looking project. And now here are some of the tips to achieve it. Use sharp scissors or a rotary cutter to cut your applique shapes. Dull blades can result in jagged edges or frayed fabric. I have also used my Cricut machine to cut out some of my pieces for my applique. 2. If you are using the turn edge applique, use an iron to press the edges of your fabric under before stitching it to the base fabric. It will help create a smooth, even edges. Number 3. If you are using the raw edge applique, which I like to do, consider using a stabilizer such as fabric interfacing or tearaway stabilizer to help prevent the fabric from fraying, which, I use heat and bond, which will help keep your edges from fraying. And I also want to say Steam Machine 2 will also do the same thing. Number 4, use a small, sharp needle when stitching your applique pieces to the base fabric. This will help you make clean, precise stitches. 5, consider using a lightweight fine thread that matches the color of your applique for a more seamless look. If you want to create a more decorative effect, consider using contrasting thread color or a heavier weight thread. Number 6, take your time and work carefully when stitching your applique. Use small, even stitches to create the smooth, professional looking project. And number 7, if you're having trouble keeping your applique shapes in place while you stitch them to the base fabric, consider using temporary fabric adhesive or basting the shapes in place before sewing them, which once again I use heat and bond or Steam Machine 2, which will kind of tack it in place until you get them sewn on. By following these tips, you can create a clean, crisp applique shapes that will give your projects a polished, professional look. So I hope this helps you in giving you some tips and ideas to be able to get that clean look. Maybe hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know the next time I upload a quickie, because we know our time is precious. We want to get back to quilting that project. If you learned something and you think maybe one of your quilting friends or family may get something out of this video as well, hit the like button and the subscribe, or the like button and share it, and comment below what kind of tip was your favorite. What did you learn? Until then, happy quilting, my friends.